So one of my favorite things to do is take students who think they don't like math and really do dig some other subject, right? Like I am very interested in math, and I'm an English major. I don't want to steal them from English. What I want to do is work with them with their English and show them, okay, like a fine wine, math pairs with all of these different majors. I love St. Lawrence students. St. Lawrence students are incredible. I've taught at 5 or 6 different institutions, and St. Lawrence students so far are my favorite. You give them a task and they're gonna throw themselves at it. So the biggest thing I like about SLU students is their tenacity. If they're interested in something, then they're gonna go at it hard. They're gonna come up with their own ideas. They're gonna be autodidactic, teaching themselves things, exploring. I'm a big fan of popular culture, and the students like popular culture. So if I can bring up Ashton Kutcher's Butterfly Theory movie, which all the time I bring up in Chaos Theory, then there's something to anchor onto. The Simpsons has a whole bunch of mathematical references, Futurama, and even shows that students are watching these days, which aren't necessarily those two. A lot of our students recently are going into startups, and so every job needs somebody that can read a graph, right? Needs somebody with quantitative literacy. And that could be a statistician or a data scientist or a mathematician or a computer scientist. All of them have that quantitative literacy. A lot of them, law school is a very natural place to go after a math degree because, again, that focus on logic and drawing conclusions. A lot of students go into grad school. A lot of them go on to financial, work on Wall Street kind of things, right? We want to encourage you to keep exploring. If you don't like calculus, that doesn't mean you can't be a math major. Most of math is not calculus. And so encouraging them to try it, to see what happens, to explore this field, and then see if they're interested. And a lot of times they're like, that wasn't so bad, I'll take another one. And then next thing you know, you'll have students being like, I never thought I hated math, and now I've got a math major.